Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter refraction of light at plane surfaces. Now, today discuss about topics definition of critical angle. First one. Second one, what is a total internal reflection and what are the applications of total internal reflections. Let's start the class. Definition of critical angle. Okay, the angle of incidency at which the light ray propagating from denser medium to rarer medium grazes along the interface is called critical angle. This is definition. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Okay, definition of critical angle. The angle of incidency at which the light ray propagating from denser medium to rarer medium grazes along the interface is called critical angle. This is definition. For example, this is horizontal line. This is normal line or vertical line. This is horizontal line. This is vertical line or normal line. Okay, upper side rarer medium. Downside denser medium. Okay, denser medium is with water. Rarer medium is a air. Denser medium water. Okay, you will observe that at certain angle of incidency the refracted ray does not come out the grazes the interfacing separating air and glass. Okay, the ray is passing denser medium to does not come out the interfacing. Okay, after that refracted denser medium. This is angle of incidency. This is angle of refraction. Okay, measure the angle of incidency for this situation. This angle of incidency is known as critical angle. Okay, ear to ear. This is called critical angle. For example, 10 degrees there. It is called critical angle. This is example for critical angle. Okay, next topic, total internal reflection. What is a total internal reflection? Okay, when the angle of incidency is greater than critical angle, the light ray reflected into denser medium at interface, that is, light never entered to rarer medium. This phenomena is called total internal reflection. I have wrote the definition. See the definition. What is a total internal reflection? What is a total internal reflection? When the angle of incidency is greater than critical angle, the light refracted into denser medium at interface. This is phenomena is called total internal refraction. Total internal reflection. This is definition. For example, total internal reflection is a best example diamond. Best example diamond. Okay, diamond was the highest index of refraction. Highest index of refraction. Okay, this is diamond. This is diamond. Okay, this is highest index of refraction, but can be increases the amount of total internal reflection. Okay, increases of total internal refraction by beginning cut properly, making diamond sparkle. Diamond sparkle. This is example of total internal refraction. Okay, next one, applications of total internal reflection. Applications of total internal reflection. Okay, first one, brilliance of diamonds, brilliance of diamonds. And second one, optical fibers. First one, what? Brilliance of diamonds. Second one, optical fibers. Okay, applications of total internal reflection. Main two is their applications. First one, brilliance of diamonds. Second one, optical fibers. This is diamond. Okay, applications of total internal reflection. First application, diamond. Okay, total internal reflection is the main reason for brilliance of diamonds. Okay, the critical angle of diamond is very low. Maximum 24.4 degree. Okay, critical angle very less, 24.4 degree. Okay, this one, angle of incidency greater than critical angle. Okay, angle of incidence, for example, 30 degree. Critical angle how much? 24. Okay, angle of incidency greater than critical angle. Okay, so if a light ray enters a diamond, it is very likely to undergo the total internal reflection, which makes the diamond is shine. This diamond is after that shine. Second application, optical fibers. Let's see the optical fiber. This one, total internal reflection is the basic principle working of optical fiber. Okay, basic principle what? Optical fiber. Total internal reflection, basic principle, optical fiber. Okay, now an optical fiber is very thin fiber made of glass. or plastic having radius about a micrometer 10 power of minus 6 meter. Okay, this optical fiber micrometer how much? 10 power of minus 6 m. Okay, now these fibers from light fiber, this pipe this fiber from light fiber, this total internal reflection main working of optical fiber. This is principle. Okay, this is second point, optical fiber. First point, diamond.